Here I have CUBOT Max 3, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal picture mode, then switch to the front camera. So now let's take one picture with this feature enabled, and then to disable it you just go to settings and find mirror switch here. And as you can see, on this photo we have these wires coming from the left side and this one from the right side, because these photos are mirrored. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.